What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another edition of ClearCryptos Education. Now, on this particular channel, we like to cover the education and also we cover the news. This particular episode is no different as we will be covering the news. And introduction wise, my name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals. And on this particular video, we're going to be covering Bitcoin worth almost 1.8 million leaves exchanges in 30 days. We're going to give you our opinion, and you go ahead and drop in the comments how you feel about this story as well. So, Jay Seals, take us away, brother.
All right. Every time we want to start, my computer wants to freeze a little bit. There we go. Okay. So Bitcoin continues to leave exchanges. The latest data from trading information platform CoinGlass revealed that the supply on exchanges shrunk by 109,133 BTC over the past 30 days. The coins were aggregately worth approximately $1.8 billion at press time. Moving forward. All right, so as depicted below, the balance quickly started depleting in the first half of November. Post that, the supply remained relatively stable. Having said that, it should also be noted that a couple of sharp influxes were also registered in the same 30-day period. With Bitcoin trading at 17.3K at press time, the balance on exchanges shrunk at the brink of 2 million BTC. Binance, the largest exchange by volume, noted the most inflows. Over the past month, the exchange supply noted a positive change of roughly 95K BTC. OKX followed suit, and its balance noted an upward inclination of around 33K BTC. Others like Polynix, CoinOne, and Huobi tagged along in the same boat. Conversely, the Coinbase Pro, Bitfinex, Gemini, Kraken, BitMEX, Bybit, and Gate coins left the exchange's supply. With total outflows eclipsing the inflows, the net number stood negative, suggesting that users were adding the largest crypto asset to their portfolios. Bitcoin has now been hovering deep inside the value zone as a result of investors have been taking advantage of the current trend. In fact, as outlined in the article earlier today, the number of investors possessing more than one BTC reached a new all-time high of 958,909, justifying the said narrative. Furthermore, it is interesting to note that the number of addresses in possession of more than 0.1 coins also reached a new all-time high of 4,109,602 on Monday. So that's the end of the article. But what this tells me is that, one, people are not selling Bitcoin. So if you thought that's what this article was about, you don't have to worry about that part because people are holding on to the Bitcoin strong. But what this does mean, like everything that's been going on with crypto in the past couple weeks, is that FTX has had a huge impact on how people feel about storing the Bitcoin on exchanges. And if you've been in the space and you've been on Twitter, then you probably heard about CZ Binance also talking about not keeping your crypto on exchange, taking it off and putting it into either a cold storage wallet or your DeFi wallet, which is really good for DeFi, but I'll let Hops get into all that.
Yeah, and then the other important part to take away from this is that crypto is here to stay and more people are interested in purchasing crypto. The one thing that I like to key in on this particular article is the fact that one BTC is at a new all-time high. So the amount of people that own one BTC is at 958,909, which tells me more and more people are taking advantage of this bear market. But even furthermore, retail investors probably make up that 0.1% or that 0.1 BTC, meaning 4.1 million people have added at least 0.1 of BTC to their portfolio. That makes me even more bullish on crypto because that's telling me as the market continues to thrive, when the market decides to turn around and we get to 100,000, 200,000 or 300,000, wherever you think Bitcoin is going to go, that 0.1 of Bitcoin is going to be worth a ton more than what $1,700 is what it would be worth nowadays because Bitcoin's at 17,000. So for me, this is very bullish of an article, even though it sounds like it reads a little different. But when you actually dig into the article, it's actually very bullish for crypto, in my opinion. So
yeah, no, I agree 100%. And go BTC.
Yeah. But listen, guys, let us know what you think in the comments down below. Let us know whether you agree, disagree, you think you hate the fact that BTC is moving off exchange, or you absolutely love the idea of people taking advantage of moving it off exchange. Either way, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Check us out for more videos on the ClearCryptos education channel. But from the crypto shop, my name is T Hobbs. That guy above is Jay Seals. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.